Replacing your home's windows is a major investment that can enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. However, if not done properly, window replacement can lead to costly mistakes and frustration. If you're considering replacing your windows in Colombia, avoiding these common pitfalls will ensure a smoother, more successful project. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of windows for their home. Factors like Colombia's climate, energy efficiency needs, and aesthetic preferences should guide your decision. For example, if you choose single-pane windows instead of double or triple-pane options, you may struggle with poor insulation and high energy bills. Make sure to research or consult a professional to determine the best window type for your home. Ignoring energy efficiency rating. Energy efficiency is a key factor when selecting replacement windows, especially in Colombia's climate, where summers can be hot and humid. Many homeowners overlook window ratings such as the U factor, solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, and Energy Star certification. Choosing energy-efficient windows with low E coatings and argon gas insulation can significantly reduce cooling costs and enhance indoor comfort. Opting for the cheapest option. While budget is always a concern, choosing the cheapest windows available can lead to problems in the long run. Low-cost windows may be made with inferior materials that deteriorate quickly, causing drafts, leaks, and higher energy bills. Instead of focusing solely on price, consider the long-term benefits of investing in durable, high-quality windows that will last for decades. DIY installation without proper experience. Some homeowners attempt to do it yourself DIY installation to save money, but improper installation can result in air leaks, water damage, and reduced window lifespan. Window replacement requires precision, and improper measurements or sealing can compromise performance. Hiring a professional installer ensures that your new windows are properly fitted, sealed, and functional. Not considering Colombia's weather conditions. Colombia experiences both hot, humid summers and cold winters, making it crucial to choose windows that can withstand these conditions. Some homeowners opt for windows that are not designed to handle extreme temperature changes, leading to warping, condensation, or inefficient insulation. Ensure that your new windows are designed to handle Colombia's seasonal fluctuations to maintain comfort year-round. Overlooking proper permits and regulations. Window replacement may require permits, depending on local building codes in Colombia. Failing to check regulations or skipping permits can lead to fines or problems when selling your home. Always verify with your local building authority or hire a reputable contractor who understands the permitting process. Choosing the wrong frame material. Window frames come in a variety of materials, including vinyl, wood, aluminum, and fiberglass. Each has its pros and cons. For instance, while wood offers a classic look, it requires more maintenance compared to vinyl, which is durable and low maintenance. Consider factors like durability, maintenance, and insulation when selecting the right frame material for your replacement windows. Not hiring a reputable contractor. The success of your window replacement project heavily depends on the contractor you choose. Some homeowners go with the cheapest bid or fail to check reviews and references, leading to poor workmanship. Always research contractors, check customer reviews, ask for references, and ensure they are licensed and insured before hiring them for your window replacement. Ignoring warranty and service agreements. Windows are a significant investment, and warranties protect you from defects and future issues. Some homeowners fail to review the warranty details or work with companies that offer limited coverage. Choose windows with strong manufacturer warranties and work with installers who provide service guarantees to ensure peace of mind. Neglecting maintenance and upkeep. Once new windows are installed, some homeowners forget about regular maintenance, leading to early wear and tear. Even low-maintenance materials like vinyl require occasional cleaning and inspection to ensure they function properly. Follow manufacturer recommendations for cleaning and maintenance to extend the lifespan of your windows. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows in Colombia can greatly improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal, but avoiding these common mistakes is crucial to getting the best results. By choosing the right windows, hiring a skilled contractor, and considering energy efficiency and local conditions, you can ensure a successful installation that will serve your home well for years to come. If you're unsure about the best choices for your window replacement project, consulting with a trusted window expert can save you time, money, and potential headaches.